If faithful service without any deceit availed anything in love, it should avail me before any other lover by right. For I have done all her commands, suffering the torments and harms that no man ever endured worse. And if she would only grant me that my heart-burning torments was sweet and pleasant to her, it would not grieve me to serve her. There is no man who ever suffered for love such grievous torment without some joy that solace could please him, or song of savor for him. But I am so faithful a lover that neither torment nor pain nor complaint nor sigh nor tear prevents my song from improving and advancing, even as I endure more pain and sorrow. Such error and suffers such pain, if his song is worth twice as much for it, is there not great honor in that? For a fortunate man it is no great marvel if he makes of his great joy a gay tune and well-placed words. But I sing joyfully of that which makes me so sorrowful that no other man would not die of it. I would be dead, it seems to me, but one thing saves me. She in whom I place my love knows how loyal and faithful I am to her, and love her without deceitful heart. Therefore I hope that one of these years she will give me as many pleasures as she now grieves me with pain. And because she is so worthy, her disdain is worth more to me than another's succor. Hey! Hey! Her sense, nor her worth, nor her precious praise, nor her boasts, nor her fair words, nor her praiseworthy deeds, nor a rich rank can I describe to you. For she is gay and gracious, and speech well endowed with all good qualities, and she would have even more worth if only mercy did not fail in her. But mercy alone fails in her rich, worthy praise. It would well become her to add it.